We started value-based workshops because as servant leaders, we really want to give back. Oftentimes, we work with referral partners that are working with our prospects or working with their clients, and they'll hear, I am working with a company and they struggle in this specific area. They don't get enough out of their CRM. They have an outreach campaign that's not working. They don't know how to build their business individually. For us, we'd love to be able to come in and work with these prospects and clients and really showcase our expertise. Over a series of 60 to 90-minute workshops, live or in person, we're able to come alongside that prospect and really work in a pain point that's specific to them and deliver something of value. If we can give that for free to be able to give back, to be able to build that value and that trust with that client and that referral partner, it's really a win for the community and it's a win for sales acceleration.